Hey guys, welcome. How to do perfect low taper fade for complete beginners. I think this is the easiest technique that the beginners can learn from, and today I'm here with my brother, so let's begin. I have my trimmer and I'm gonna make a first guideline here. So guys, as you can see, I'm starting with the trimmer to make my first guideline. Now I'm using 1.5 guard to take out the darker spot. Now I will go back with number 1, blade open. Now I'm going with number 2 guard slightly higher, trying to blend the side with the top. Now I'm gonna come back with 1.5 guard to make it even smoother. Once I'm finished with the process, I'm coming back with the trimmer and then clear everything that I left at the bottom. Make it everything clean, and then I'm gonna line it up. And remember guys, don't try to press it too hard because this trimmer blade are pretty sharp, so be gentle, don't press too hard. Now I'm gonna use sabers just to make it even smoother, and I'm gonna make fade pop up a little bit more. Now I'm gonna line up around the neck area, so remember guys, don't try to go too deep into the hairline. Try to stay as natural as possible, and if you can make a line pretty sharp with the natural finish, that's pretty impressive. And one more safety tips guys, always protect the ear. Now I'm gonna go to other side, follow the same thing that I did to the other side. So as you can see, it's the same process. Made a first guideline and then open blade halfway close. Open blade halfway close and then number 1 guard slightly higher, taking one section at a time, and then coming back with 0.5 guard and then try to knock the line out. 1.5 guard slightly higher, another step. So this is exactly the same step that we did to the other side. so I'm not gonna explain it, but instead I'm gonna tell you. I think this is the easiest technique that the beginners can learn from, because you can see a lot of barber YouTubers, they teach by creating different section, like 3-4 different section. They do first line, and then they do blade open, they do number 1.5. They create like 3-4 different guideline, and then they try to knock the line out. I think that's a very good technique, but the problem is, if you are new to this, if you are learning, when you create so many different sections at once, there is a high chance you get lost in the middle, because when you try to knock those lines out, you get lost. You don't know which number to use, you don't know which guard to use, you are not familiar with the size and the length that the guard could be cutting. So if you are beginner, if you are learning, it's very hard to look at the hair and just say, okay, this guard can take out the line, or this number can take out the line, because it's very difficult to have that judgment as a beginner. In this technique, you go one section at a time, and then all you have to worry about is fixing the one section, taking out that one line that you created with that section. So only mistake you should not be making is going higher than the section, going higher than the previous section when you try to knock the line out. Only thing. So the step is, you create the guideline, and then you go one step higher, you come back down one step, you knock the line out, you go another step higher, and then you come back down, and then you go another step higher, and you come back down. I think this is very easy technique for you guys if you understood what I'm talking about, because you go one section at a time, and then all you have to worry about is knocking the line out that you created with the previous section. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel if you want to see my upcoming videos. I hope I'm gonna bring better videos and better content, better information in the future, because I'm still learning in this space. I'm learning how to film and how to record myself, and then how to edit. It's a lot of work, and